Hey folks, I'm back with another exciting unboxing here. Most of you who follow my reviews will know that over the years I've swapped out almost all my equipment, all my switches and access points to this company, EnGenius. Thanks to them mostly for sending me equipment that is enterprise level for my home, and they've been okay with that. So the only downside to that is some of the functions you can't ever see in my reviews because I'm not a business network, but I'm a home network that I have at any given time. I can have 120 to 140 devices, both wired and wireless, running on my network. I use VR for my meetings. I use a remote desktop VR connection. So wired and wireless access is really critical. My kids are homeschooled. They use internet access. My wife is works remotely, so it's really heavy, and the internet dependency is heavy in this home. I even use the EnGenius gateway to come into my network from my router, and I will be soon be unboxing the newest gateway that they sent me. But let's stick to this for now. This is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but this is the EnGenius EC, I don't know if you can see that, ECW516L Cloud 7 2x3x3 Lite, EnGenius Cloud Lite Wi-Fi 7 2x3x3 tri-band indoor access point. So as you can see, the tape is still on it. I'm gonna cut it for the first time. Get into the box. They're always in the egg crate type thing, so I'll just slide it out into the video view. If you know EnGenius, they come in this egg crate type packaging with the mounting brackets and everything. I'm not going to be using the mounting brackets for this one. It's going to be on a shelf, replacing the one that's already there. You can see the cloud Wi-Fi Lite 2x3x3 EnGenius Cloud Wi-Fi 2x3x3 ECW516L. Take that off, and there is that beauty. They all make them like this now. They're this size and nice size. They're all white as far as all the ones I've received. We'll go to what's in this little box in a second. Matter of fact, let's go to what's in the little box now and get it out the way. It's going to be a mounting bracket. Yes, it is. Mounting brackets and hardware screws if you're going to screw it into the wall, right? Kind of nothing else. They don't really send manuals anymore. You use the QR code on the box and you get their updates. I really don't even do that because I have an EnGenius ecosystem at this point. So I simply plug it in, open up my dashboard and find it and connect to it. So there it is on the top. It's got the EnGenius logo, and there's LEDs here. It's for, let me see if I can read that. Going across, that's power. This is Ethernet connection. And this is 2.4, 5 gig, and 6 gigahertz LEDs. So that's your connectivity. Flip it over. You got your mounting holes. And underneath here, you've got a reset button. There's a reset hole you can see there. The Ethernet connection and the AC adapter connection. Now, they don't come with the AC adapter. You can buy it. But the reason that they don't come with it is because these are PoE, right? This is a 2.5 gigahertz LAN PoE. All my network switches are 10 gigahertz, 2.5 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz. My gateway, I think this one is 2.5, but either way, I'll be putting on the new EnGenius gateway, which is 2.5 and also has SFP. So I don't need power. I'll plug it straight into one of my switches and we'll be off to the races. I will set it up in the dashboard. I'll try to take as many pictures of the screen I can, the dashboard, and then try to do a speed test for the review. When I'm done, you can check out the entire review using the link in the description in this video.